I am inevitable.
What's up, everybody? I'm Mike Macklin, aka Money Mike, the financial Thanos, because I'm snapping my fingers and I'm turning your financial problems to dust. Today, we're going to talk about something most financial gurus never touch: the real cost of debt. Not the APR, not the minimum payment. I'm talking about what debt is stealing from your mind, your relationships, and your future. And trust me, it's costing you way more than you think. We're trained to think debt is normal. Car note, normal. Credit cards, everybody's got them. Student loans, can't make it without them. And because it's so common, nobody stops to ask, why am I okay with living in a constant state of owing? Debt is marketed as a tool, but it's really a trap, guys. It's a silent weight on your chest that you carry every single day. It changes how you feel about yourself. It changes how you interact with your children, your spouse. It even changes your goals. You want to take risks, you want to invest, you want to build a better life. But the honest truth is you can't, because in the back of your mind, there's always this voice saying, you can't afford to mess this up. You've got bills. Just wait until you get caught up. So let me break this down, guys. Debt costs you money, yes, but it also costs you options. The option to leave a toxic job, the option to move to a better neighborhood, the option to say yes to opportunity. See, when you're in debt, you don't make decisions based on your desires. You make them based on your obligations. And here's where it gets deeper. I've coached people who make 6 figures and they still broke. Why? Because income doesn't fix a broken system. Think about that. You're working 40, 50, sometimes 60 hours a week, but your money is already spent before you even touch it, guys. That's not financial freedom. That's financial slavery. It's just dressed up in a direct deposit. Now listen, I didn't always have this perspective. I was in the military for 20 years. I was disciplined. I had benefits, a steady check. But even with all that, I was never taught how to actually build wealth. I didn't learn how to play the financial game until I was almost 40 years old, guys. And the moment I learned how to flip the system, how to stop bleeding out through interest, fees, and the illusion of I'll catch up next month, that's when I became dangerous, guys. That's when I created my 60-day financial reset system. It's designed to do one thing and one thing only: to put you back in control. Not through budgeting apps, not through debt consolidation scams, but through an actual mindset shift paired with a strategy that attacks your debt like it stole something. And only I teach it to people who are serious about changing their lives. So here's the question I want to leave with you. If you weren't paying any debt next month, what would you do with your money? Like seriously, think about that. Would you invest? Would you take a vacation? Would you spend more time with your kids instead of working 2 jobs? That dream version of you already exists. They're just buried under debt payments, self-doubt, and bad financial programming. So if you're ready to meet that version of yourself, I want to invite you to take the first step. Click the link in the description to join my 60-day financial reset challenge. I'm not just teaching you how to pay off debt. I'm teaching you guys how to win. I'm Mike Macklin, aka the financial Thanos, and I'm here to snap your financial problems into dust. So if you're ready, let's get to work. God bless you all. Gone.
I am inevitable.